In this video, I'll present or explain the implementation of the storage functionality in the Context Monitor app that I have implemented. So, uh, I have connected my physical device with the Android Studio here, and I have initiated the heart rate measurement. Currently, it's just lying on the uh, surface, and I'm not actually measuring the heart rate right now. So the values will be strange. Similarly for the respiratory rate, but this is just a basic functionality to show the database creation and the values that gets entered. So the app is running, and for each of the rate measurement, it will take 45 seconds. Till that time, I'll go over through the storage code the functionality that I've implemented. So I've implemented these four files within the storage folder. So storage DB is the main class or the main singleton class, which creates a thread safe initialize instance, and it is a singleton class, so there will only be one class created for it. So we'll have just one connection open to the database of the Android device via the application. And similarly, so we have like type converters initialized here, and specified the version number and the data entity table, or the structure of the data entity, the schema, which I'll show shortly. And this is the get database function, which returns the database connection. So then we have the data entity class. So this is the main data table, as you can see, and it has 5 columns: ID column, heart rate, integer value, respiratory rate, integer value recorded on date, and symptoms. So all the ratings and the uh, corresponding symptoms and the corresponding ratings are stored as map. And then we have data access object. So this is the interface that will be used by the application to query results from the database or insert entries into the table. Then we have data converters. So these are basically the converters that we were using here. These are custom converters that I have created for complex data structures that are not directly supported by Room to store. So Room is basically just an SQL interface for the Android Studio. So I have measured the respiratory and heart rate. And these are not the correct values. These are just basic random measurements. I haven't like actually measured them with by placing them on the chest currently. I'm just currently showing the results that are obtained. So now I'll upload. I'll specify diarrhea as 3. Let's specify cough as 2, and let's upload the symptoms. So as soon as I upload, you can see here it is populated. So this is the one that I just recorded, and as you can see, diarrhea is 3. Then I'll search for. So as you can see, cough 2, diarrhea 3, this was recorded. Then for all the other values as well, so heart rate 210, respiratory rate 0, these are just values, because heart rate, like these values are not accurate because the phone was lying on the bed, so it wasn't really measuring my index finger. This is the correct value. So for this, I measured my respiratory rate lying down. While I was lying down, then this was the heart rate measure. These are just the symptoms that I mentioned here. So this is the table that's created, and as you can see here, this is the schema: integer, text, integer, integer, integer. And so yep, thank you.